All right, let's see if we can have some fun today. Might not be a whole lot of talking. It's kind of like the GoPro inaugural run. So I guess while we're waiting, let's talk about why I actually got a Spyder and not a Ryker. Basically, I went in there to get a Ryker, but they did not have any more. And not only did they not have any more, they weren't going to get any more until the 2020s came out, as far as I know. So I was like, man, I didn't expect to spend that much, but I could use this money as a down payment and go ahead and get a Spyder, which was really my original choice. But I figured the Ryker was the more economic, you know, safer, money-wise choice. But man, I could not be happier. Just checking to make sure we got everybody with us. Everybody's still there. So we're headed to Red Top Mountain, which is a pretty scenic area. Here's the part that I didn't know. I think it's closed. I didn't realize that until a few minutes ago when I was checking the GPS, but we're gonna ride out there anyway because these guys came, some of these guys drove, two of these guys drove about an hour to get here. So if y'all are watching this now, sorry. I did not know until now, but hey, I'm gonna make the best of it. We riding. You know, I'm always pretty wary of intersections like that because, you know, that's where most bikers or guys on 2 or 3 wheels, you know, get in accidents or unfortunately get killed. And a lot of times it's not even their fault. At the same time, you have to always be hyper vigilant so that the little high school girl on her telephone or middle-aged woman that's doing her makeup doesn't kill you. And guys, I hope my audio is okay and it's not too much noise or wind or anything like that. This is the inaugural test run of this setup here with the GoPro and the what is it, the Purple Panda mic. What does that say? It's Queen Barbie o'clock. What? And these intersections, I won't say at this point they make me nervous, but they make me very wary. Like it's nothing but just full concentration, ready to hit them brakes or take some kind of escape route. Shoot, I got to make it home, man. Mess around, my wife take the insurance money and marry some other dude. No, she will not. My kids calling some other cat daddy. No, they will not. I'm going home somehow or some way. Right. So this ride that we're about to take is pretty curvy. I hope I'm not biting off more than I can chew, but at the same time, you know, it doesn't matter the curve. You know, I just got to check my speed. Shoot, if I get out of 3rd gear on some of these parts, I'm doing good. We'll see in a minute. Hopefully I ain't lost nobody. I think everybody's still back there. So that's Lake, Allatoona right there. I don't know how much you can see with me trying to watch the road at the same time. That's Lake Allatoona, or a portion of it. So what's up? Nobody want to give me the biker wave? Usually when I'm by myself, everybody want to give me the biker wave. Now as a little group, nobody waving. What's up? I gotta get some music for this thing, man. What I'm looking at is that MTX Road Thunder soundbar. I think it's like 300 watts or something like that. I saw one for 150, but I mean, if you can get one for 300 watts, who knows what amount of difference that would make. But if you can, then why not? I love this bridge that we're about to cross. Take a second to take it all in. Nice. I don't know, are people living up there? Alright, we're gonna go check out some of these hills up here on this mountain. See what's up. Having a nice day with some of the members of Spyder Squad ATL. Cool. What's up? All right, man. I appreciate it. All right, man. We'll get up again. What, the bike or the camera? The camera is like $400.
Called GoPro?
Yeah, it's a GoPro Hero 7.
Okay, see, my little brother, he ride, he used to have a booster.
Okay.
He ride the Harley.
Okay. Yeah, I learned to ride on the booster. That's too much bike to learn on though.
Yeah. That booster, real nice.
Yeah.
But, one thing about the 3-wheel, you know, you ain't gonna tip over.
Yeah, exactly.
But all right.
All right, man. All right.
Be safe.
All right, thank you.
Hey, he said he liked your bike.
Oh, thank you. This just seems more cinematic right here. Oh, that wind feels so good. It's hot out here. Ooh, these lights are bringing, boy.
Make it rain with about anything.
I feel like everybody can see me, and I'm not talking about from a look at me, I'm showing off, see me. I mean, see me, please don't kill me, see me. Yeah, boy, wide view is where it's at. I'm looking at it on the phone right now. That's what's up. That's what I want. Super view just ain't, you know, it's cool, but it's just too cartoonish for me. If you're watching my videos in the future, I want you to feel like you're here with me, not this distorted world that doesn't exist. Yeah, that was a good ride today. That's why I got the bike, man. To get away from it all and to hang out. When I love my family, I'm going back to them right now, but, and I'm not even talking about them, I'm just talking about life in general. You just want to forget it all and be a kid. And that's how I felt today, man. I remember growing up riding bikes and playing follow the leader. That's what it felt like today. And I'm glad the ride that I had planned turned out well and everybody liked it, man. There was a lot of pressure. Like, yo, what if these dudes drive an hour over to my side of town and then it'd be like, wop, wop, wop. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm looking at it right now. I definitely love wide view versus super view. I will not be using that anymore. And I wish I had bought this thing back. I wish I could have. I couldn't then. I wish I could have bought this thing like back in 2014. But, you know, it is what it is. Man, I wish I had got the video when that little kid got a picture on the bike with the lights on. That would have been dope. But I had agreed to let him get on, you know, of course, no problem. And I forgot to hit the record button, so didn't get any of that exchange. His mom was so excited. Man, it's back to reality tomorrow. All right, guys, I want to thank y'all for rolling with me today. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can take this journey with me. I am Rubbish Media, and I approve this message.